Hey everybody, I wanted to give you a quick update on last night's Rustbelt Basketball Coaches Association's game of the week. We traveled out to my hometown, Bowling Green, Ohio, arguably the most beautiful place in the Rust Belt. And very perplexing game. These type of games are the ones I really get excited about now that I'm out of coaching. But you've got Delta High School, which is a very small school in Northwest Ohio, who competes in the Northwest Ohio Athletic League, which is the oldest conference in the state of Ohio, versus Bowling Green, who's a Division One school, so in the biggest category, and they compete in the vaunted Northern Lakes League, which is again one of the more highly thought of leagues in the entire state. But anyway, coming into the game, you've got Delta, who's having a great season, and they are currently sitting at 12-2. And Bowling Green is having a pretty good season as well. But as you see, Delta's blocker mover offense and their zone defense doing allowed them to really tempo a basketball game. And I love how they keep the game at their pace. Bowling Green likes to get out and run, and they showcase a lot of different shooters. Hastings and Amspoker being two kids who can really fill it up. And then Conway inside's a 6'7" post player who's exceptional from the blocks. But as you can watch the Delta players here, who I have tabbed the Iron Five, hence I did bring my Maumee City Schools hard hat today for this video. These kids flat out get after it. I've seen a lot of basketball this season, and I'm here to tell you, I have not seen a group of kids play harder than these Delta Iron Five. Now, the Delta kids do have some players that have vastly improved who they can bring off the bench. Uh, Luke Reinhardt, Jude Gibbons being two of them. But the other thing about these Delta kids that I love is these kids were brought up as freshmen and they took their lumps hard. I mean, aggressively hard their freshman and sophomore year. And now that they're seniors, they are reaping the benefits of just good old fashioned stick to itiveness. They've stuck with the program. They decided that collectively we're going to get physically stronger and we're going to become better basketball players. And they've done just that. So they have been a fascinating group to watch them develop. And to cut to the chase, everybody wants to know, how did the game turn out? The Delta Panthers pull off the upset and beat the Bowling Green Bobcats 47-45. Delta also last Friday, beat Archbold, which is an NWOAL nemesis, and Archbold is a perennial basketball power in the state of Ohio. These guys at Archbold take athletics extremely seriously. It's a community that revolves around the high school's athletic department, and Delta had not beaten Archbold since 2006 when the legendary Corey Sproul coached the Delta Panthers. So where are we at now? Delta is averaging 49 points a game, and they are giving up 31 points per game. So this is a team who I think has potential to make a really neat run in postseason. They have now put themselves in a situation where they can win their league for the first time since Coach Sproul coached the Delta Panthers years ago. So keep your eye on the Delta Panthers. I think they're going to surprise some people, and it couldn't have happened to a better group of kids or a better coaching staff. Matt Brighton, a young coach, also a mathematics teacher at Delta, is doing a fantastic job, and a nice young man and a fantastic classroom teacher. Ron Rouleau, his assistant coach, is an ex-head coach at Delta, and he has also coached girls basketball at Delta, and is just a fantastic human being, but also a very well-respected teacher and coach. And then Adam Conrad, their junior varsity coach, is also a teacher. And Adam has college basketball coaching experience at Indiana Wesley University in Marion, Indiana. So Matt's got a great coaching staff surrounded himself with, I should say. And not to beat a dead horse, but keep your eye on these Delta Panthers. I think they're going to be a team that can surprise some people here in the nearing postseason. Anyway, that's it. Please, with sugar on top, pretty please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That helps us immensely. And also, if you could join our Facebook group, Rustbelt Basketball Coaches Network, those two things help us incredibly, more so than you know. So if you get a chance, like and subscribe. Hey, I appreciate it. Have a productive week. Also, if you would like to receive our weekly free basketball coaches newsletter, send an email to me at Derek, DEREK, Sheridan, SHERIDAN, 44 at gmail.com, and I'll get you on our email list to receive, in Ted's honor, weekly free basketball coaches newsletter. Hey, have a great week, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.